Right now, the Midwest and the East Coast are getting hit hard by snow and cold temperatures. A lot of families made it out in time, coming to the valley to soak up some of the winter sun.
Team 12's Chase Golightly spoke to a few people who are spending the holidays like true Arizonans.
Sky Harbor was packed with passengers, happy to get out of the cold and into the valley.
The package for WestJet Airlines.
Especially those who just got off the flight from Calgary and Alberta, Canada.
Just decided to get away from the minus 40 Celsius.
Yeah, that's still minus 40 degrees in Fahrenheit.
Oh, it's better to be here.
Ready to enjoy the warm weather.
Couple golf rounds, I think, couple football games.
Some still figuring out where to get started,
We haven't decided yet.
but others have it all planned out. And what better way to start your Arizona holiday vacation than by hanging out at the pool?
Now it's time to go in the pool.
That's the first thing the Hutter family visiting from Boston did. But they didn't expect it to be this warm.
Our mom really got the weather wrong. She told us to bring ski jackets.
Still, the Phoenician Resort in Scottsdale had many swimming or lounging out by the pool.
Enjoying the pool and nice weather in the sun.
The Neidl family also taking in the sun, especially since their flight home to Ohio was canceled because of the weather. But they're not complaining.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. The weather's awesome.
For those who wanted more action, hiking was it.
It's been amazing. The weather's been perfect.
Coming from Chicago, it definitely beats negative 20 right now.
A lot of people on the trails visiting from out of state.
Warm, really warm. Feels really great. I'm glad we came this week.
For the Roth sisters, they aren't missing what everyone back home in Nebraska is going through.
A lot of our friends are sending us messages of blizzards and negative 40 conditions, and we just hiked in t-shirts and shorts, so it's pretty nice.
Taking in the warm holiday like a true Arizonan.
This is what Arizona's all about.
Chase Golightly,
Definitely grateful to be out here.
12 News.